ladies and gents, so today we're coming to you with Taste Test Wednesday. I have 3 Taste Test Wednesday helpers. Let's see, we have 1, 2, and 3. What are we going to taste test today?
Rainbow poopers!
And of course, these are boys, so they of course are laughing.
They are the candy people.
Yes, but they're marshmallows.
I love marshmallows.
I know. So what we're going to see is if they are actually vanilla flavored or if they're going to each be different flavored.
Can I say something?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So let's see. We have a blue and white one.
Hold on. Hey guys, it's Green Wolf. On that one.
And we have a green and blue one.
Okay, I want that one.
We have a pink and or white and purple.
Let's try. Yep. Can I try mine right now?
Wait a minute. And we have pink and green.
That's yours.
So let's try them.
Guys, these actually taste like marshmallows. Yeah.
They don't have any other flavors. I was thinking they might have been tropical flavored, but they are only vanilla flavored.
It tastes different flavor for me.
Just tasted like vanilla?
Yeah. No, this tastes like just marshmallow.
Yeah, just tastes like regular marshmallow.
So that's the video.
One more for each of you.
Oh, do we need to get the matching?
No, I'm good. I'll go now.
And then that's it. Okay. So they're not as squishy as fresh marshmallows.
They are actually.
But they are a little bit tougher. They're not like super squishy. They're a little bit stiffer. They're not super squish.
I can't even smush it. Just can't. Outro, can I do the thing? Outro.
So if you see them, they're worth picking up.
They're called rainbow poopers.
They're marshmallow unicorn poop. That's what they're called.
That's disgusting.
All right. I hope you enjoyed our video.
Let me finish
And
the thing.
we'll see you in our next one.
Hold on.
Bye!
Bye.